Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today we are talking about Cosmos again. I'll be giving you guys my 2 cents about where Cosmos is in the market, as well as where I think it might be going in the short term in the future. But before I do that, if you guys would do me a huge favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, let's jump on into the 4-hour time frame and let's use Market Cipher to get a better idea of where we are and where we might be going for Atom. Right now, Atom is trading for $35.45. We are seeing a bit of a rally since yesterday's video. In fact, if you guys didn't watch yesterday's video, I told you guys I thought that we would, and lo and behold, we are doing exactly like I thought we would be doing. We are right now above resistance. Resistance is this yellow line on Market Cipher A, which is the top section of the charts. Right now, the question is, are we going to be flipping this resistance into support and seeing higher price points in the short to near future for Atom? My opinion is that we will, and the reason why I'm saying that is because you guys know the saying, the more you test support and or resistance, the more likely you are to break through said support and or resistance. And this is the 4th time that we've done that, guys. I do think with everything that's going on within the whole crypto space, that this is a really good opportunity for us to see higher price points going forward. This shows us a lot of strength within the crypto market. I have my reasonings for saying that, but that's for another video. But that's why I'm saying that. Now, look right here, guys. We tested it here. We tested it here, we tested it here, and we tested it here. And all we've done basically while we're testing this resistance line is thread it. And I love threading lines, guys, because that's showing me that the previous price action for that asset wants to be around that level. And this is a really bullish sign, in my opinion. This is showing us that it doesn't want to come back down and test the support line. It wants to stay up here where resistance is, and it wants to flip it as support. Now, I do think what's going to be happening is that eventually throughout the day, we're going to come back down here, maybe test 35, 34.50 or something like that. We'll test this as a springboard of support. We'll bounce off of it, and then we'll be on our way to $37, $38 here shortly. That's what I think is going to be happening. The reason why I think that is because there's a lot of fundamental bullish things happening for Cosmos right now that a lot of people are unaware of. Now, I don't have much time to tell you guys every bullish fundamental thing that's actually happening for Cosmos with IBC, with everything, but I'll make you guys a promise. I will make that video here shortly. But that's why I also think we're going to be seeing higher price points. There's a lot of bullish things. Do not sleep on Atom, guys. I'm being serious. You see the big eyes? I'm being serious. With that being said, let's go ahead and quickly take a look at Market Cipher B, which houses the RSIs and the momentum waves. The first thing that I'm noticing on Market Cipher B is that the RSIs are clearly pointing back up. They're on an upswing, guys. They're back on an upswing. Now, it didn't look like this, but I did tell you guys in yesterday's video that it looked like it was going to do something similar to this. And lo and behold, we did something very similar to it. We are on our way back to the upside. We did flip money flow back into the green on the bar here. And as you guys can see, we stayed on the waves in the green. Positive. All good positive things right now. I do think if the entire market can sustain itself to the upside, which I do think it will, we're going to be seeing $37, $38 here shortly, and that's that. Now, I'm not a fortune teller. I don't know it all. That is just my opinion. So do your own research, invest per your own risk management. But that's what I'm seeing. Another thing I want to point out to you guys that is insanely bullish, I don't think a lot of people are actually recognizing, is check this out, guys. If I zoom out on the 4-hour time frame, let me show you guys this. You guys know what this is, right? Bada bing, bada boom, pull it down to the ground, zoom out a little bit. Now turn that frown upside down, because that's a cup and handle pattern. That was kind of cringy, right? That was a cringy smile. I apologize. That was a cringy smile. I'm going to go now. I feel bad about that. But anyway, that is a very, very bullish cup and handle if I've ever seen it. Don't sleep on Cosmos, guys. Another thing I want to point out to you guys is the VPVR wall. Let me show you guys what I'm seeing on the VPVR wall. Let me zoom out a little bit, or clean this up. Not zoom out. Let me clean this up a little bit and show you guys what I'm seeing right now. Now, check this out, guys. This shows us where we have support and or no support basically on the VPVR wall. These gaps on the VPVR wall show us where we haven't had much price action. And right now, as you guys can see, right where we've been laying down a really good level of support for Cosmos to build upon. We've resisted going into this gaping section on the VPVR wall for some time, for like a month now. That's strong. That's bullish. I don't know about you guys, but I'm seeing that as bullish. Now, if we did dip down into that little gaping section, I'd be like, oh no, the likelihood of us breaking down into like, $26 would be really, really high. But we haven't done that, so I'm not going to threaten about that just yet. I just kind of want to point out a few things to you guys. That's what I'm seeing on the charts right now for Cosmos. I think we're in for a really good ride here shortly, guys. Buckle up. Like that little kid said in Indiana Jones, we going for a ride, lady. With that being said, you guys stay in profits, stay blessed. Don't sleep on Cosmos. Peace.